step number 8 is use fear to motivate yourself. How do you do that? There's something which is frightening you, okay? I understand. Lots of things frighten lots of people. There's nothing to be ashamed of or worried about or anything. Don't let it pull you down. You think, this is something that I was not able to do, but I will challenge myself to do it. The fear itself should be the motivator for you, so it becomes your friend in a way. Something maybe you would never have thought of doing, but because something is frightening you and you are taking it as a challenge, what happens? That fear becomes your friend and it's motivating you to do. So what do? You become positive, you think I can do it, I will do it, and you take the steps and you move forward. Got it? I hope so.